So now we have the integral of dx over 4x raised to 2. Now, whenever your x or your variable is nandito siya sa denominator, okay, at for example, this one is x raised to 2, what you have to do first is kailangan mo siyang i-rewrite. So, what you have to do is to write itong x squared, ilalagay po natin siya sa numerator para we can apply the general power formula. So, that actually, pwede natin siyang isulat as, okay, x raised to negative 2 dx all over 4. So, bakit naging negative 2? Okay, negative 2 kasi whenever na itong, for example, x squared, whenever ilalagay mo siya sa taas from denominator to numerator, the exponent will become the opposite. So, for example, this one is positive 2, magiging negative 2 siya. What if that's x negative 2? You will put it on the denominator. So, if you will put it in the denominator, it will become x raised to 2. So, bali, opposite po ng sign niya. Okay? So, that's why we have here x raised to negative 2. And as you can see, we have here 4. Okay? So, that's 1/4. So, ilalabas natin kasi constant siya. So, we will rewrite that to be equal to, okay, wait. It will now become 1/4. Dahil inilabas na natin si 1/4, we put that outside. Integral of x raised to negative 2 dx. Now, we can apply the general power formula, which is, okay, copy natin si 1/4. That will become x negative 2 plus 1 all over, negative 2, okay, plus 1. I just changed the color of the plus 1, the general power formula to emphasize yung formula natin. And don't forget to put plus c. Now we can simplify that one, be 1/4. And then we have here x, of course, negative 2 plus 1. So that is now negative 1. And same is true dito sa baba, denominator natin, plus c. Okay, so we have to rewrite this one such that wala tayong negative exponent, because the right way to write the correct way to write your final answer, dapat wala po siyang negative exponent. So, para mawala yung negative exponent, ibabalik po natin siya sa baba. So, for example, itong x raised to negative 1, we will put that here in the denominator. Magiging x raised to 1 na lang siya, or x. So, now, our final answer will be 1 all over 4, tapos si x raised to 1, or x lang, and then plus c. By the way, it's negative. Ayan, munti kong makalimutan because we have here negative 1 sa baba. Okay, so that is now our final answer.